Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to create Angular app first time. So the first time we have to use Angular CLI to create the new app. But one thing we have to update is we have to install the Node.js from this link. I will add this in the comment section, and make sure you are going to install the latest version of the Node.js. 9.3.0 is the current one, so please install it first, and after go to this site. I will also add this link in the comment section, and after going over there, follow this step like this. First of all, install the Angular CLI. Open the command prompt and paste this and hit the enter. It will take around 4-5 minutes to install all the required files. So wait for 4-5 minutes. Okay, I will come after installation. Yeah, it's now installed. So now we are going to our first app. So for that we have to go where we want to create our project. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now write down this ng new my app and hit the enter, and yeah, it's installing. It will also take a little bit time to install all the needed stuff. Okay, now our application is now installed successfully. So go to the your project. Yeah, so now after installing, first question comes in your mind is how to run this. It's very easy. Just write ng sr, hit the enter. It will take some little minor seconds to build our application. It's actually first time building, so it's take some time. Otherwise, it's very fast. Yeah, it's now built successfully and also run. And now we have to run using this localhost 4200. Yeah, our first app is run successfully. This is the by default already installed some templates and pages available in Angular. So it's on this. You can navigate directly to the tutorial to watch the latest stuff available in the Angular. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.